Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And today what we're taking a look at is the SOCO case for the Røde Wireless Go 2. So I've recently purchased the Røde Wireless Go 2 kit. This is a 2 transmitter and 1 receiver kit. I'm actually using the Røde Lavalier Go microphone with my kit at the moment. And having purchased all of that, one thing that I did find was, even though Røde did give us a new sleeve to put everything into, and the fact that the Lavalier Go actually comes with its own little carrying pouch, I did find that all of this wasn't really thought through very well in terms of storing and traveling, and basically just making sure that you've got everything with you. Firstly, not everything would fit into this particular pouch, so you would get the 3 transmitters, but you were struggling to get any of the cables, and even then everything's just kind of flopping about, banging into each other. The other thing that I did find was the fact that the microphone wouldn't really fit in there, and I didn't really want to get this damaged, so ideally I wanted a separate place for this. So what I did do was I went on Amazon, had a look at what was available, and there was really only 2 real solutions. The first one of those was a hard case for the Røde Wireless Go, and it had a sort of storage area in the lid as well, but I didn't like the fact that it had a sort of foam cutout for the actual transmitters and receivers themselves. So because of that, it meant that over time that's probably become floppy, and they'll basically just move around inside the case. Now with this particular case, it did take a little while to arrive because it was only available through one seller, and he was shipping straight from China. But once it did arrive, I was very pleased with it, hence why I'm actually making this particular video. So I will insert some B-roll as well, but if we take a look at this, so I can actually hold this up, and as you can see, the 3rd transmitter, or the 2nd transmitter, the 3rd unit as part of this set is sat there nicely, just in these sort of grooves that they've got. And you can fit up to 6 in here, and that's literally just the bottom section as well. Once you actually flip down this top flap, and by the way, this interior material is so soft. It's like a suede Alcantara type material, so once you actually put your receiver in there, you know that you're not getting any scratches. And the way that you do want to put it in is having the sort of Røde clip facing up. That way they fit all the way in and it's nice and snug. Now if you flip this part down, what you also get is another 2 little pouches, or sort of elasticated pouches just there, that you can put stuff into. What I do is I put my Røde Lavalier Go microphone in here, so it's nice and quick to get to. And then you also have further storage in this top section as well, where you can store any spare dead cats and also any spare cables. So in here I actually have the iPhone cable, just in case I ever need to actually connect this up to my iPhone, and I'm not having to go looking for cables. So all of this kit essentially fits into this one case really nicely, and it just makes it a lot easier to actually manage all of your setup. Now this has actually got enough space where if I wanted to, I could actually put a little battery pack as well as a few charging cables in here as well. Now that actually means even when I'm on the go, I can still keep everything charged up, which is something that you're never going to be able to do with the sort of pouch that they actually gave you. So a really simple video. I just wanted to add this in, and basically I'll put a link down in the description below. Hopefully the seller will still have it listed. There weren't many available when I actually purchased mine, but yeah, this is probably the best storage solution I found for your Røde Wireless Go. Nice hard case. You can chuck this in your bag. You don't have to worry about anything moving about, anything getting damaged, which is basically what you want when you've just paid £300 for your kit, as well as an additional up to £80 for the Lavalier Go microphone as well. So yeah, nice and simple. Hopefully some of you guys out there will benefit from this. So that's it for today's video. As always, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you could give this video a thumbs up, hopefully that'll help it reach a lot more people, and more people can benefit from it. Other than that, thanks very much for watching.